Okay, so back again with another recipe review. There's a noise in the background. My other half decided to go cut the grass. So, uh, yeah, lovely. Anywho, the recipe today, again, it's a simple recipe, but very, very tasty. Um, I was going to start this video by showing me mixing a 100 milliliter batch of it, but I'm out of one of the ingredients. So let's take a look at this recipe. Okay, so it is 123 Easy Cake Donut by Millions 81. It's on all the flavors. They leave a bunch of notes on this recipe, as well as something that I don't see a lot of people do. There's some variations down in here, to make it a powdered sugar donut, to make it a blueberry donut. And I think that's good that they left, just some more notes, combinations that they have tried. They also state that there's a ton of stuff that you can do with this base, that it is tasty off the shake. We'll talk about that in a minute. 3 to 5 days should give a fairly good chance for everything to develop. But because of the cake batter that's in it, try to give it a week before you rate it. This has been steeping for 8 days. They recommend 7 days. So they recommend a 7-day steep, total of 6% flavor. It's 1% Capella cake batter, 3% Jungle Flavors yellow cake, and 2% Zapola. When I first mixed this, y'all, I'm not a fan of Zapola at all. That greasy note that Zapola leaves, I'm just not a fan of it. I've always found it offensive. But like I said, I want to give these recipes a try. Now, in this recipe, off the steep or off the shake, right after I mixed it, there is it's a somewhat heavy cinnamon note. Not that it's too much cinnamon, it's just forward. Okay, so what I got was cinnamon with the cake and the donut in the back, with that greasy taste. Now, after the steep, I tried this again after 5 days. 5 days, it was just great. The combination of the cake batter and the yellow cake really bring that. It's just a donut. I mean, you can taste it. It's like an old-fashioned cake donut. Just that plain yellow cake, fried old-fashioned donut, which I'm a fan of. My favorite of the cake donuts is a blueberry donut, which they leave in the comments how they make it into a blueberry donut. So I'm going to try that as soon as I get some more cake batter. I'm out of that concentrate. So let's give us a taste and see what we got here. Again, I've had this drop sitting on the shelf over here, unopened in a box, for probably 7 months, and I've never tried it. So we're going to be doing this on the drop today. 70 watts, 0.08 ohms, dual flattened tri-core stainless steel Claptons. Let's give it a try. Okay, so it's a cake donut. That little greasiness is still there. I pick up on it again. Like I said, I'm not as a Zapola fan, but I would make more of this and vape it more. The greasiness, the way this was used here, the greasiness, it blends with the cake in such a way that it's just really uniform and all together. So that's my opinion. Okay, just to clear a few things up, I do not know the mixer in this video personally, never spoke or chat with them. So a couple times in the video, I said if that was incorrect, I apologize. But this is one for the road for sure. So until next time, stay safe, keep on trucking, keep on vaping.